maikaraga na mawathe kumanagia kaunti-ini ya Embu ni matetete ni kiria maugite ati ni gukorwo matirikitwo na njira nene ni mutungata matiganite na maria makoragwo makinyangirio kuri o na makilia kuma kuri thirikali cia kaunti oro hamwe na thirikali nene giki na uria uikaine ta Mr. Nyaga ni ugite ati kana ni athiete na mbere na kuga kaunti ya Meru ni ukoragwo na andu aria aingi kana kaunti ino ya Embu gucunge muhera ni ukoragwo na namba ya andu aria aingi makoragwo na mawathe. Ni kuringana na ndari cia census ni iria cireka gwikwo makiuga ati ari bata wa gukorwo magithaitirwo aikitie ritana riria akiurire thirikali ya kaunti gukorwo makiheo nginya mieke ya utongoria kuona ati ni matirikitwo na njira nene kaunti-ini ino ya Embu.
Our main concern as persons with disabilities is poor representation of persons with disabilities in development of committees at county and sub-county levels. Generally, the scorecard of disability inclusion in this county is quite wanting, bearing in mind that Embu County has the highest number of disabled persons according to the last census. The role of sub-county and ward administrators is very crucial to inclusion of PWDs. According to the County Government Act, Section 50G and Section 51G, sub-county administrators and ward administrators are responsible for, and I quote, coordination and facilitation of citizen participation in development policies and plans and delivery of services. End of quote. Additionally, as the head of county government at sub-county level, the administrators are expected to include persons with disabilities in non-development committees. However, this is not the case in Embu County. In these consultative forums that we have been having, it has emerged out that there is a challenge in conducting inclusive public participation meetings and establishing disability inclusive ward-level development committees, which are the most effective tools through which we can accelerate inclusion in this county. As a result, the needs of and service delivery to disabled persons in this county have not been met as envisioned by the Disability Act of 2003 and the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. We would like to have an inclusive county whose services are accessible to all citizens, including those with disabilities. The first step is to rethink how we organize public participation meetings in line with the expectation of County Government Act. We propose that all sub-county and ward level meetings should be organized and chaired by respective ward administrators. This would allow leaders of organizations of persons with disabilities to demand accountability and inclusion from the administrators. I wish to point out that as a County, we have seen and appreciate steps Her Excellency Governor Barire is taking towards inclusion.
Haya, ripoti